Yes, everybody. First one of the day. Little trout at the old spot. Look at this. Right here. Little trout. Right there. On a horsepower bait. The original. Dad's gonna call. Let's see if we can get any more. Hey, what is up, everybody? Another fish right here. About the same size as the last one. On the same stuff. One side of it. Don't know if he's gonna live, but yeah. You guys, another fish. I'm gonna keep this guy. Put him on the string over here. So yeah, another fish. Yeah, Luke. Luke. Oh, he's jumping!
Don't net for idiots. Oh, he's going nuts. The fish like Sam.
Don't break the line. You're gonna snap the line on the rocks. There you go, Luke.
Yeah, Luke, that's the biggest of the day.
Nice, Luke. Guys, first one on the fly rod of the day on a Chernobyl ant, the best fly out there.
Hello.
There he goes.
Bye-bye.
Nice job, Jack. Look at a nice fly rod. Yeah, Jack, keep going. You need help, don't you? He feels big on a fly rod. Bring him over here. Let him tire him out. Good one, Jack. Should have land. No net. No net. Yeah, Luke, pull it up. Yeah, yeah. Keep reeling, Luke. Keep reeling, Luke. Is he on there? Yeah. Look, 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 look. No net, because we're idiots. Oh, he's going nuts. The fish is like Sam.
Don't break the line. Snap the line on the rocks. There you go, Luke.
Yeah, Luke, that's the biggest of the day, man.
Nice, Luke.
Yeah.
Okay.
He came off. I gotta get him.
Hey, yo, what is up, everybody? It's me, Jack from JMC Fishing. Just got home about an hour or two ago. My phone died, so I couldn't film the outro. I'm sorry for not filming an intro. I'll try to get an intro for you guys next video. Sorry, this flashlight is right in my eyes. My front-facing camera, I dropped my phone into the water today, and my front-facing camera got all messed up. So, I probably can't use that for a while. So expect no selfies from me soon. I'm just gonna be filming like this. This is gonna be all. It's gonna be all good. Little recap of the day here, though. We got a bunch of fish on power bait at one of my favorite spots of all time. I'm not gonna say the name. If you want the name, go to my Fish Brain, JMC Fishing on Fish Brain. It's not sponsored or anything. Just go to Fish Brain, please, and you can see all my spots. Just follow it, please. Yeah, do it. The real recap of the day. We got a bunch of trout. My brother caught some. My little brother got some. As you saw, I got one on the fly rod on this Chernobyl ant right here. This is my favorite fly of all time. The tip of the hook broke off right here, as you can see that. But yeah, one of my favorite flies, and this is the fly that I used to catch that fish and all those fish at Jeremy's private lake. I use this same exact fly as well. One of my favorite flies of all time. Imitates a grasshopper, imitates ant, imitates just about anything that scoots along the surface. Also a water skier. But anyway, but yeah, we're only 2 subscribers away from 100. Thank you guys so much for watching that video, and I'll see you guys next time.